Welcome to Gliglo Junction, your go-to source for mental health support content. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest updates. For this episode, we'll dive into the world of meditation. Ever wonder how to start a meditation practice or how to keep it consistent? The world of meditation, a practice known for its health benefits, including stress reduction, mood enhancement, and immune system boost. However, beginning and maintaining a meditation routine can be a bit daunting. Hence, we're here to share 13 practical meditation tips to ease your journey. Before embarking on your meditation journey, here are 5 preparatory tips. First, start your day early. Waking up a few minutes before your usual time and finding a quiet place to sit can set a positive tone for the day. Second, consistency is key. Choose a time and place that suits you best and stick to it. Third, be flexible with your location. Whether it's your bedroom, living room, backyard, or a quiet corner at work, any place that offers stillness and minimal disturbance will do. Fourth, don't feel obligated to sit cross-legged if it's uncomfortable. You might prefer to sit on a chair, couch, or even lie down. Finally, explore different meditation positions until you find one that feels natural and comfortable. Next, during your meditation, remember these 3 pointers. First, allow your breath to flow naturally. Simply observe it, noticing the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. Second, get comfortable with discomfort. Negative emotions might surface during meditation. Instead of resisting them, observe them with curiosity and without judgment. Lastly, carry the mindfulness you cultivated during meditation into your daily life. Be aware and present, noticing the small details in your surroundings. Post-meditation, these 5 tips can be helpful. First, take a moment to check in with yourself. Notice any changes in your physical, emotional, and mental state. Second, remind yourself of the benefits of meditation. This will motivate you to continue the practice. Third, if you skip a session, record your excuse. Reading it later might help you overcome it. Fourth, consider buddying up. Having a friend who also meditates can be a great motivator for consistency. In summary, meditation is a beneficial practice that can enhance your physical and mental health. Starting early, being consistent with time and place, being flexible with location, choosing a comfortable position, and observing your breath naturally can set the stage for a successful meditation routine. Embracing discomfort, practicing mindfulness, and checking in with yourself after each session can also contribute to a fulfilling meditation experience. Remembering the benefits of meditation and having a meditation buddy can motivate you to keep going. Here's to your journey towards a mindful life. Stay tuned to Gliglo Junction for more wellness tips and mental health support.